Hello kids, welcome to GK Quiz Time. Today, we have 10 fun questions. Each has 3 options. Think and choose the correct answer. Keep learning something new every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Let's begin. What color is the sky? Options are A. Green, B. Blue, C. Yellow. Right answer is answer B. Blue. How many days are there in a week? Options are A. 5, B. 7, C. 8. Right answer is answer B. 7. Which fruit is called the king of fruits? Options are A. Mango, B. Apple, C. Orange. Right answer is answer A. Mango. How many legs does a dog have? Options are A. 2, B. 3, C. 4. Right answer is answer C. 4. What sound does a cow make? Options are A. Moo, B. Meow, C. Bobo. Right answer is answer A. Moo dash. Which shape has 3 sides? Options are A. Circle, B. Triangle, C. Square. Right answer is answer B. Triangle. What is the color of grass? Options are A. Green, B. Blue, C. Red. Right answer is answer A. Green. Which planet is known as the red planet? Options are A. Jupiter, B. Mars, C. Earth. Right answer is answer B. Mars. What is our national animal? Options are A. Tiger, B. Lion, C. Elephant. Right answer is answer A. Tiger. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? Options are A. 24, B. 25, C. 26. Right answer is answer C. 26. Great job, kids. You are all super smart. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Bye bye.